Right, Ben. Set this up so hopefully you can see everything that's going on. So, continuity there. Oh, there we go, look. 0.006. Okay, so centrifugal switch. This is one of the windings here, or the terminal wires. Anyway, right. So as you can see, put that on there. Switch open. Got continuity there. Haven't got continuity there, that side. And I'll touch it on this bit of cable here. We haven't got continuity there either, right? And then just to make sure we've got continuity across the contact there. Oh, we have. I need to get better. There we go. I might not have got a decent thing on that one. Oh, so there's quite a lot of resistance in there actually, which I don't notice. I mean, don't know, maybe you could tell me that might be a cause. Need to re-terminate that. But anyway, switch closed. Put that across there. I'm getting a bit of a better reading there. Yeah, we've got continuity across there. Put it closed. But then, so if I touch that on there, and then on the other end, where it comes out, is this one here. Obviously, with it open, don't get continuity, as we already know. Then across there, don't get continuity either. And then we get continuity there like that more. So, oh, there we go. Might be able to get a better what's it on it now. That's still fairly high bit of resistance there. So yeah, I've actually stripped this off the machine now, so won't be going back on. It's an absolute pain in the ass meddling around with that. What the heck's going on with that? So yeah, I think that's what you asked me for. So yeah, let's see what they say. And like I say, 5/8 shaft, I believe. Not that you can overly tell down there. But yeah.